Hey guys, sorry if I look a mess. I'm conditioning my hair. I'll have a hair video up soon of how I do my hair and stuff, um, real soon. But I happened to walk outside and guess what came? You know what this bag is. You already know the color. It's from Temu. It finally showed up. I just got it. Um and I thought I would do this unboxing with y'all and let's really get into this. This is my first Temu haul, so let's see. I got my knife ready. Do have a big knife, but I will be safe. Moving the table. Okay, so for one, I have those cheap ones behind me from the dollar store, but I really wanted the headbands. Came in this. I got two of them, and yeah, they're pretty good quality for what they are. I got them to put my hair back or put my wigs back when I'm putting them on. So I got two headbands. I also got four of the wristbands. So let me show you what the wristbands look like. So there's a problem off the bat. Let me just check, but I think that is not the color that I ordered. And it is. It is the color I ordered. So, yeah, I should have paid attention, but I didn't. But I ordered them, and it's okay. It's just for that purpose, just for holding my hair back. That's solely what it's for. And if you hear people, my mom is out there talking to my son, so that's why you might hear voices. But anyway, on to the next. Then I got this cord. I've been needing this HDMI cord for a long while. So I finally decided to get it off Temu. So we'll see how it works. Then I got these brushes. Not gonna lie, thought they were like a lot bigger than they are. They are like mini, which is okay. I can probably put them in, my travel set. Let's see how they feel. So they actually don't feel like really bad. The little ones are kind of soft too. I mean, some of them are super little, like I'm probably not even gonna use that. But for the price, you know what you get. Then I picked up, I'm not going to open it. I picked up this little gift for my son. It's just something to fidget with and play with. So I thought I would get him this. It's actually bigger than I thought that it would be. Then next I have this. Not really sure what this is. Oh, it's the other cord I needed. So there was a different cord that I needed as well, and I picked that up. It feels pretty sturdy. I hope it works. Your girl don't even remember what this is because I don't have the order right in front of me right this minute. So let's see what's in here. Oh, I ordered a mirror that lights up, and it comes with the USB cord. So I will be opening this soon, and I'll update you guys on how everything works, because again, everything's super cheap, so who knows how well it works. Then I have this other box. I bought a light. just for pictures and stuff. It feels kind of flimsy, not gonna lie, but we shall see. It comes with the stand. It just feels kind of flimsy, but we'll see how it works again. So that's a light. And then this box came just like this, by the way. Like, it came just like this. So it is a selfie stick and it has a remote control. I kind of want to take this out and see what it looks like. Okay, so somewhere here you put your, and here's the button, and I know the button is removable. Yep, it's removable, so I hope it works because I needed another one. My other one broke and it was white, so it was like dirty, and I think I got it off of the white one off of Amazon. Then we have, last but not least, a couple pairs of shoes. I'm a little tiny bit disappointed, and I will tell you guys why. Not with this pair, but in a minute. So this first pair I got as shower shoes. One thing about me is I'm a texture type of girl. I don't like cotton balls, like when covers get into like a cotton ball type of feel and they have like balls all over. I don't like stuff like that. My skin is just, it doesn't feel good. And so for sanitary reasons also, I got these to get in the shower with. But I have recently bought some flip-flops from Dollar Tree that's doing just fine. So I might hold off on using these for that. But this is what I got. And your girl ain't got no pedicure. It's not terrible, but your girl ain't got no pedicure. So I am going to try this on right now. But I'm not going to show you guys. Okay, so guys, it definitely fit. They fit. So now we have the next pair. So let's talk about this. I got two kind of the same pair of shoes, thinking that, because one says, and I looked and I did check again, it says it's for kids. These are not kid size. Neither one of these are kid size. So let's open the first pair. I'm gonna again try these on. Okay, so this first pair pretty much fit, and these are what I got. They basically fit. Let's check this other pair that I did not order. I want to say there is a slight difference with this. This definitely seems maybe smaller, but I don't know if I could tell a difference. But I am going to try these on to see if they fit too. So I will say I tried these on. These do fit smaller. So these must be the ones that were going to be for my son. He does have pretty big feet, so, and he's just growing crazy, so he'll grow into them just fine, but it's just, I thought they still would be smaller. So mine fit, so everything as far as that is still fine. And they came out looking the way I thought and feel the way I thought as well, so that's good. Then last but not least, I have some items for my dog. Her name's Maya. And the first thing I got, if I can get it open, is I got this nail clipper. So hopefully I can do it, because Yeah, the last time I took her to get her nails clipped at this groomer, the lady didn't even really wash her. She just put like the smell good powder and stuff on her. You could tell she didn't wash her or nothing. Um, and when she cut her nails, she cut her and she was bleeding a little bit. So I was like, "Ugh, looks like we're gonna have to do this at home, girl." And then lastly, I got this like knockoff version of the pet glove to like groomer. I have the actual pet glove, but I decided to try out um their version, I guess, of it. So that this was like a real quick video, and it was in a rush, like real quick. Like I literally just got the package. As far as my thoughts on Temu, so the shipping was really good on it. I thought it was gonna be a full 2 weeks. It wasn't. It was like a week and a couple days, so that's good. Everything so far looks like what I ordered. Everything looks in pretty good condition for what I can see. But I will be checking, especially with that light, to see how that works. But we'll see, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And, you know, spread the word about your girl. And I will see you guys in another video really soon. Bye, guys.